Hello, Nadine here today, and I am going to show you how to make some quick and easy backgrounds using some ink pad reinkers. Now you can use this in any color combination you want and pretty much with any ink pad reinkers, but today I am going to be using the Radiant Neon reinkers. So I have electric pink, electric orange, electric yellow, electric green, electric blue, and electric purple. So I'm going to have sort of a rainbow look to mine. And then using my Imagine mat, I'm just going to take the reinker and just kind of do a scribble line. Doesn't have to be pretty. Like that, and just go down with each color. So I'm going to be using this on a 5.5 by 3 inch watercolor piece of paper. So I'm just going to lay it down because I do want it to go all the way to the ends of the paper. So I'm just going to see how much more I needed to add. So there we go. Now I'm just going to spray that with some water. And then just taking the paper, I'm going to lay it right down into the middle of that. So the first one always turns out pretty bright. And since there is ink left, you can always do it again. And you can keep doing this as many times as you like until you use all the color up. Of course, it gets a little bit lighter each time. So there we have it. This was, I believe that was the first one I did, then the second one, third, and then the last one is the lightest, and I'm going to let those dry. Okay, now that I have them dry, I chose one of the first ones that I did, and then also the last one to give you an idea of what they were going to look like. And then I cut some craft paper that should be just a little bit bigger than the background. And then I also cut out these flowers, tall sketch daisies from Poppy Stamps, and a happy birthday doodlebug, or doodle happy birthday out, all in black cardstock. I'm going to use my Xyron Mega Runner here. Next, using my Xyron sticker makers, especially since these are such little dies, I'm just going to run this through to put some adhesive on the back of them. And now all I need to do is start assembling my cards. And there we have it. Super easy cards to make just using some reinkers. And there's the other one. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'd love a thumbs up too. See you next time. Bye-bye.